So I'm going to talk briefly about how TAPS has been part of a transition project. The name of the transition project is ITCH, which sounds like a very strange name, but it's actually based on a book by radio presenter Simon Mayo. The project has a chemistry theme to it. The reason it has a chemistry theme is because the book is this is a really exciting book. It's about this boy called ITCH, who absolutely loves the periodic table. He loves collecting elements, he loves chemistry, he loves science. And so, because the project is linked to a book, it means that the transition project has clear cross-curricular links as well. So it's got English links to the science as well. The main aim, obviously, of the project is to improve progression and continuity from Year 6 to Year 7. Another one of the main aims is to develop children's working scientifically skills, which I know has been mentioned so much today. The project is basically a set or a bank of 6 investigations, and these 6 investigations are in the form of focused assessments. Each focused assessment has a working scientifically focus to it, and these are taken from the end of Key Stage 2 statements. So, for example, it could be to write an explanation, it could be to record your results accurately, it could be to do a graph. And we have tried to create an overlap between the Key Stage 2 working scientifically foci and English, as well as Key Stage 3 as well. Children are currently actually working on the project. They're carrying out the assessments, they're doing those. What it has enabled us to do is, and how it has linked with the pyramid, it has allowed us to gather evidence of this part of the pyramid where it says monitoring of pupil progress, because it has meant that secondary teachers and primary teachers have come together, we planned the focus assessments together. The Royal Society of Chemistry supported us with that as well, but we had that dialogue, we had that discussion of what skills children need to do to be successful in it. Recently, now what we've done is we've sat down again together, primary and secondary teachers, and we have moderated that work together. So you've got that understanding of progression, that understanding of working scientifically skills, that dialogue, that collaboration between the secondary and primary teachers. You've got all that going on. The opportunity to teach chemistry, that has been invaluable as well, because in the new curriculum, chemistry is not taught in Year 6, it's taught in Year 5 and then it stops. So there's that gap. So this was an opportunity to introduce children to chemistry in Year 6 and to prepare them for Year 7. Children will go up to the secondary school and they will have a lesson planned by the secondary teacher. Well, actually it will be co-taught between the primary and the secondary teacher. So again, you've got an example of collaboration as well. Future for us with this project is to continue the project. As a trust, we are currently 2 secondary and 2 primary schools. We're going to become much bigger, hopefully, in the future, and the plan will be that the project will become much bigger, will be taken on by more schools, it will be adapted, and again, you'll have more collaboration, more teamwork between the primary and secondary colleagues. So for us, as a trust, the pyramid and the focus assessments and the resources have had so much impact already, and the secondary teachers are really interested. They're very keen to use it, they're very interested to learn from it and how we assess by it.